see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Philippines eh. During lunchtime, ayan oh. Hindi, ayan oh. Good morning! Ipakita ko lang muna sa inyo yung pa-OOTD natin today. Ayan, naka black and white ako na cardigan. Ayan, and then yung inner niya is eto blue to na long sleeve din na cotton from Valley Girl. Tapos eto heat tech from Uniqlo. Tapos vintage bag ng YSL na blue. Ayan. And then, yung sapatos na susuotin ko ay ito yung galing kay Race. Thank you, Race. Ito yung nakuha ko sa bahay nila nung nandun ako. So, ayan. Then, bisa na natin si Holly.
Hi, hello, my baby. I'm wearing black trees, and I'm wearing my puppy pink trees, and I'm wearing my pink. Hi there, I'm wearing my blue, and wearing my short pink sock, and wearing my pink boot, and we're doing mommy nails. Bye bye. Mwah. Hi guys, I'm wearing this black one, and wearing this short pink sock, and wearing my pink boots. And we're doing mommy nails. Mwah.
Matay kayo, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi na naman kayo. Ayan, bigla na lang kayo namatay. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari dito sa camera ko. Kasi yung screen niya, bigla na lang siya nag-black. Tapos yung lens niya, naka-on pa. So, hindi ko alam kung nagre-record siya or what. Normal naman talaga yung pag mahaba na yung ano mo, yung mahaba na siya naka-on, like mga 16 minutes, mag-go-off talaga siya, yung parang kailangan mong i-on ulit, parang ganon. Pero kanina, saglit lang ako nagsasalita, wala pang ang ano yun, wala pang ang ilang segundo pa lang yun. So yun, sana hindi pa siya masira. But anyway, si Jan umalis kaninang mga alas 4 ng madaling araw, sinamahan niya yung friend niya papuntang Geelong kasi kailangan ng tulong. So yun, sinamahan niya. Tapos, yung Geelong pa naman, malayo din yan. Mga 3.5 hours siya. Kasi from Geelong to Melbourne, 1.5 hours na lang eh. So, gets nyo ba yung sinasabi ko? And, yeah, sabi ni Jan, kailangan ko raw makauwi bago mag-3 kasi yung mga bata, 3:15 yung labas sa school. So, kailangan may adult sa bahay pag uwi nila. So, kanina, yes, baba?
What's that in there?
Yeah. Hindi ko naintindihan yung sinabi niya na yes na lang ako. Tapos kanina, tumawag ako mga 10 sa ano, doon nga ako sa magpapa-SNS. Sabi nila, medyo may ano daw, medyo may customers. Kasi 3 lang sila eh. Tapos minsan pag-apat, papalit-palit sila. So, medyo natatagalan. So, sabi ko, hindi na lang ako magpapabook. Mag-walk-in na lang ako pag mayroong talagang bakante sa kanila kaya yun, hindi pa rin talaga sure na makakapa SNS ako. So walk-in lang tayo kung sa aeroplano or sa bus, change passenger tayo doon. Kasi kailangan natin makauwi ng maaga para may datnan na tao yung mga bata sa bahay. Tapos si Kuya ayaw niya magpabili ng regalo. Bilang ko lang daw siya ng card na 8 years old kasi iipitan na lang daw niya ng cash. Kasi daw last year, yun daw ang regalo sa kanya ng yung nag-birthday. Card tapos cash. So siguro, ibabalik ni Kuya kung magkano man yung binigay sa kanya. Siguro $30 yun. So yun ang gagawin ni Kuya. Sabi ko, okay. Para hindi na tayo mag-isip-isip at para hindi na rin ako maghanap-hanap. And buti na lang, Friday yung party ng kaibigan niya, nung classmate niya. Kasi pag Saturday, hindi na naman siya makaka-attend. Marami nang na-miss out si Kuya ng mga birthday party. Pero tinatanong naman namin siya, gusto mo mag-attend. Pero pinipili niya talaga yung lesson niya sa Adelaide na golf. So,
My birthday coming.
yeah, soon. Your birthday is coming. And yun, bukas alis sila ng maaga papuntang Adelaide. Sasama na si Sakin. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Dito tayo sa marketplace. Kasi doon sa Kmart, kung saan talaga ako lagi nagpapagawa ng nails, ang dami talaga nilang tao. And parang wala akong chance walk-in doon. So, dito lang tayo. Kasi meron din naman dito. Mas bago nga ito eh. Na-vlog ko ito nung bago kayo pumunta ng Melbourne. Kasi hindi ko pa nga lang na-upload. Dito, malaki to. And then, meron pang bata. So, dito na. Hindi ko natawagan kasi wala naman akong number, wala akong number nila. So, tingnan natin kung pa-SNS tayo. Come on, Baba. Hurry up. Dito. Ayan, si Holly. Gusto niya raw ng purple.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious. That's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
What's it doing it?
We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars. We're making this too hard. And I wonder where.
Ayan, dito na kami sa Big W. And ayan si Holly. Marami na siyang napipili. Hoy, Baba, that's not yours. Put it back. Please. Thank you. And ayan, finally pa-SNS tayo. And hindi ako nagpalagay ng fake nails. So, ito yung totoo ko tong kuko. And pinantay lang siya dun sa naputol. So, ayan. And kay Holly, show your nails, Baba. What color?
Purple.
Purple.
What about this?
What's the no, Baba? And, ayan, dito tayo. Naghahanap ako ng card ni Kuya. Hanap tayo ng card ni Kuya. Ito, ang cute, oh. Wait, Baba. Spider-Man kaya.
Holy Posse, remember?
Huh?
Holy Posse for this. It's Holy Posse is for day.
Holly? No, it's not your birthday yet, Holly. Pili lang muna ako. So, yung, hoy, Baba, no. Ang dami nakuha ni Holly. No, Baba, you have to put it back. Ito yung nakuha ko, oh. Ito yung
No, it's not.
Avengers.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is for Kuya TJ. You have to put it back. You have to choose one only. Only this one, the Barbie. Okay? Ang dami niyang dala. Come on, Baba. Only the Barbie. Come on. Hindi ko napansin. Ayun yung ibigay. Ang dami niyang nakuha. Yan na lang na Barbie, Baba. Okay? Ibalik natin to. Hindi ko napansin. Ang dami niya palang nakuha. Malayo na yung nalalakad namin. Ibalik natin to kasi gusto niya to. Yes, Baba. Put it back, Baba. Good girl. We're gonna buy that on your birthday, okay? There's more there, Baba, oh. Kawawa naman. Hindi niya naman to kailangan. Come on, Baba. Only Barbie, okay? Put it back, Baba. Uy. Come on. Come on, put it back. Dalawa yung nakuha niyang ganito, oh. Come on, Baba. Put it back, please. We're gonna buy that on your birthday, okay? Here, oh. Put it here. Malayo-layo na yung nalalakad namin. Kukuha sana ako ng chocolate.
Kuya.
This is for Kuya TJ, oh.
This for mine.
Yeah, you hold this one. We're gonna buy that on your birthday, okay? Okay? Come on, Baba. Come on, Baba. Put it back na. We're gonna buy that on your birthday, okay? You hold this one. This is for Kuya TJ. Oh, you give this to Kuya TJ. You get the Barbie one, okay? Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Here, Baba.
Hold it.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold this. Okay, yeah. Put that one. Please. Ah, it's falling. Okay. Okay. Put that one, Baba. We're gonna buy that on your birthday, okay?
Oh, wait. Wait. What's my boss say?
We're gonna buy that on your birthday, okay? Put it back, Baba. Hurry up. Baba. Holly. Hurry up.
Wait.
Come on.
Get off, please.
Okay, come on. Let's go. We're gonna be late. Come on. Come on, Baba. Put it back, please. Thank you. We're gonna buy that on your birthday, okay? Malayo-layo na yung nalakad namin. Hindi ko alam. Marami pala siyang nakuha. It's alright. Okay, come on, Baba. Good girl. Oh, good girl, Baba. Look over there. There's Elsa there, Baba. Oh. Come on, let's go. Come on. See that one? See that one? Okay, come on.
I want everyone.
You don't want it, Elsa? Okay, we're gonna buy that on your birthday. Pink birthday, okay? Okay? Put it back, Baba. Come on. Thank you. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Good girl. Okay. It's alright. Mommy will buy you that. Okay? Okay. Thank you, Baba. Mommy help you. Okay? Mommy help you. It's alright. Oh. Okay. Good girl. Okay, come on. Come on, Baba. Good girl, Baba. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're gonna buy that on your birthday. Promise, okay? Oh, yun yung umalis ko. Come on. Come on. What's this? This is Barbie. That's pretty. We're gonna cut that, okay? Do you wanna cut it? No. Okay. Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay, let's go. Come on, Baba. Hurry up. Baba. Come on. Come on, Baba. Come on. It's alright. It's alright. We're gonna buy that on your birthday, okay? Okay, come on. Let's go. No, on your birthday, Baba. Come on. It's alright. It's alright. Come on, Baba. Can you hold this for Mama, please? Oh, you. Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on, Baba. Let's go. It's alright. Come on. It's alright. Come on. Hold Mommy's hand. Hold Mommy's hand. It's alright. It's alright. Umiiyak pa rin si Holly kasi hindi siya makaget over dun sa princess na card. Hindi niya naman yung kailangan. Kuha tayo nito. Oh, masarap to. $8. Tapos etong may macadamia. Come on, Baba. It's alright. You want lollipop? Look. Lollipop? Here, look. Which one? Which one, Baba? Pink one? Where's the pink one? Ayoko to kasi sobrang laki naman nito. Oh. How about this one? Do you want this? You want this? Ah, no, no. There's no lolly here, Baba. No, that's too big. We have to find. How about this one? Get one of this.
No.
Elsa.
I want this one.
This one? Okay. What color? Pink one? Oh, what you gonna say?
That one.
Okay, what you gonna say? You want this one?
Yes.
Okay. What you gonna say to Mommy?
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Okay, let's go. Okay na siya. No, for Kuya Saki because we still have chocolate at home. Okay? Happy? Are you happy now? Huh? Look at Mommy. Good girl. What you gonna say? Thank you. I think she wants to hold the Barbie as well.
Oh, yeah, sure. You want that one? Thank you. Did you need a bag?
Punta muna tayo sa Filipino store kasi may oras pa na... Ay na, okay na siya. May oras pa naman tayo. 1:55 pa lang naman. And ano naman siya, malapit lang yung area yun dito. Kasi etong marketplace, medyo 10 minutes away siya sa Kmart kung saan ako nagpapagawa ng SNS. So, medyo 10 minutes lang yung layo niya. So, nandito na lang naman tayo sa area. Punta na lang din ako sa Filipino store kasi nakalimutan ko nung isang araw bumili ng suka. So, see ya guys!
See ya, guys.
Okay na siya, hindi na siya umiyak kanina. Parang baliw siya doon kay doon sa card na princess. So, ayan, mamaya na lang. Ayan, happy na siya. Dito na kami sa may sa may kalye. Kasi malapit lang yung Filipino store dito sa highway. Wait, Baba, ha? Stay there. Go. Say hi. Andyan siya. Nag-garden ka? Buti lang pinaalala ni Holly. Marami na akong nakuha doon.
Yung malaki na lang, mas mura. Nakakatipid ka.
Eto? So, isalin ko na lang doon sa ayan yung, what's that, Baba? Suka. Very good. Bahay na kami and time check is 3:06. So, wala pa yung mga bata kasi 3:15 yung labas nila sa school. And dumaan muna ako sa did you wipe it, Baba, properly? Dumaan muna ako dito sa may dito malapit sa amin na general store. Still hot? Binalan ko kasi siya ng chicken. Ayan, oh. Still hot, Baba? Yeah, that one. Wait, Baba, okay? And ayan yung mga pinamili ko. Wait lang. I-haul ko to. Wait lang. I-check lang muna natin yung fireplace kung mayroon pa siyang kahoy. Ayan, mayroon pa naman. Pero lagyan ko na. Kasi kanina pa to. Wait lang, Baba, ha?
Could I hear more?
No, they're coming soon. I-break lang ulit natin to. Para makapasok yung bagong kahoy na ilalagay natin. Ha?
A saucepan.
Yeah, they will be here soon. Yan. Ay, ba't ko sinara? Kukuha pala ako ng kahoy. Wala na yung wala na. Paubos na. Mamaya, kukuha yun si Jan. Lalagyan niya ulit dito. So, may dalawa pa. Isa na lang pala. Bali, dalawa. Ano ba ang gulo ko? Yes. Yeah, wait, Baba. Just gonna put this one. Wait lang, guys. Lagay muna. Ayan, naglagay tayo ng dalawang kahoy. So, okay. Ayan. Andito na sila, Kuya. And you're going to the party. Kinuha niya. Yeah. Mag-haul na sana ako. And then, andito na rin sila. And si Sak may sinasabi. What happened, Sak? What happened? How?
Oh, just on sticks.
How?
Oh,
Nasugatan siya, guys. What happened?
I was running through the bushes.
That's why I told you to wear trackies, Sak.
No, because this last one that got torn off by doing that.
Hindi pa nga tumagaling. Meron ka na naman dyan. I'm not happy.
Sorry.
I am not happy, Baba.
Why am I holding this?
May sugat na naman si Sak. Ikaw na talaga, Sak. Wash it, Baba. Wash it, okay? Let me see. From now on, you're gonna wear trackies, ha?
What on
Wash it so I can put something there. Naglagay pa siyang
No,
salt. Oh,
8.
that's right. You said 8.
Mommy, let's see that. Let's see. On this place.
Oh, lolly, okay. Let me see. Okay. How much you gonna give, Kuya?
Done.
How much you gonna give?
30.
30. Do you have money?
Yes.
Okay. May sarili silang pera. Pero Daddy said he's gonna pay you back.
Yeah.
May sarili kasi silang pera din. Pero sabi ni Jam, bayaran siya. Okay, wait, Baba. Mag-haul pa nga tayo ng mga pinamili natin. Ayan, ready na si Kuya. Nakabihis na siya. Are you just gonna walk?
I'm gonna walk.
Did you put money?
Yeah, man.
We see you. Enjoy, Kuya. I love you.
Golf
Wait.
simulator.
What? What you gonna do?
The golf simulator.
You hit it into the screen.
Good luck. Did you put money?
Yes.
Let me see. Let me check. Pera niya yan. No, you have to put it inside the card, Kuya. No. Like that. Okay, let me see. Ayan. 20 and 10. Okay. Be careful, ha?
Yeah.
You know the house, right?
Yeah. So,
Watch the car, ha? Ayun niya magpatid. Okay. Come on, Holly. And ayun yung injured natin na bata, oh. Are you alright? Are you alright? What's that?
I watch TV.
Yeah. Wait a second. I'm just gonna do a haul and then you can watch TV. It's not that bad, but you have to be careful next time, huh? Ayan, nawala na siya sa akin. Wait, Baba. Ayan, unahin ko na itong chocolate na nabili ko sa Big W, yung Lend chocolate na milk chocolate tsaka hazelnut. Nakasale siya ng $8. So, nakasave tayong $3 kasi ano siya, 11 yata siya. $11 yung isa. Oh, what? It's heavy. So, ito yung sa Filipino store, bumili ako ng malaking suka kasi sabi ni, ano, yung binibilang ko dito, mas mura daw to kaysa dun sa maliit. Kunti lang yung diferensya. And then, malakas din ako gumamit ng suka. So, sabi ko, sige. Isalin ko na lang siya dun sa, sa maliit na container. Ang ingay ng aking kasama. So, ayan. And, ito pineapple juice na sa Del Monte. Oh, eto, ipapainom ko to kayo dyan kasi ito yung recommend sa kanya ng doktor na uminom daw ng pineapple juice para mainam dun sa pag-isol nga lang. Wait, be quiet, okay? Mainam to dun sa, di ba nagsiswal yung, ano ni Jan, yung kanyang tuhod. Pero ngayon hindi na, okay na siya. Ilang buwan na siyang okay. Siguro mahigit 1 buwan na rin or pa 2 buwan na kasi may iniinom siyang medicine para doon. So, ayan. 5 nito. So, ipatry ko to sa kanya. Kasi yung pinapainom ko sa kanya, yung nabibili ko sa Coles na nasa box. So, eto, ipatry natin itong Del Monte. Kasi masarap to, diba? So, 5 yan. Are you done? How about this? And, eto yung nabili ni Holly kasi, diba, gustong-gusto niya yung card na princess. So, sabi ko, hindi naman yung kailangan. Ano yata yun? Magkano yun? $6 din yun. So, masasayang lang. So, sabi ko, next time na lang pag birthday niya. Pero yun, umiyak siya. Tapos, eto, oh, pangbalot to. Nagustuhan niya si Barbie. And, eto yung Kinder Surprise na chocolate. Tapos, eto pa yung sa Filipino store. Yung coconut. Then, eto yung banana leaves. Ito, daw ng saging. Then, bumili ako ng ito yung taro. Nung last week, di ba, nakabili ako ng kamunting kahoy, or kasaba. Hindi ko kasi ito nakita, pero ayan, meron sila. Meron siya. So, ayan. So, yan yung sa Filipino store. Ano to? Holy. And, duman ako sa, sa butcher. Kasi, di ba, nung last week, hindi ako nakapunta doon. Kasi nga, late na, and then may bisita kaming parating dito nung ginupitan sila ng buhok. So, bumili ako ng isang rump steak kasi meron pa naman siyang steak doon yung nabili ko sa Coles. And bumili ako ng 2 beef schnitzel tapos sausage. So, yan lang ang binili ko kasi mag-grocery naman ako next week eh. Pinalitan ko kayo ng butter na low but basta yan na yung mga napamili ko kanina sa Filipino store and ipakita ko rin din ito sa inyo. Ito yung pinagawa kong kwinta sa Michael Hill na yung naputol. And tinatawagan niya raw ako kanina. Nakasilent yung phone ko. Ang ginawa niya, hinarang niya ako. Kasi kilala niya naman ako. Malapit lang kasi sila sa may pintuan pag palabas ka ng marketplace. Wala, parang nabuhol. Basta ayan, wala siyang bakas ng pinagrugtungan. Basta ayan siya, oh. Dito yung putol niya eh. Dito ba? So, ayan. Okay na siya. So, ayan. And then, yung salon or yung nails pa na pinagawan ko nito, merong bayad si Holly na $5. Then, eto yung sa akin, 55 lang to kasi wala akong fake nails. So, ayan. Pag mayroon kang,
I got purple nails.
Wow! You like your nails?
Yes, I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
You just had chicken. And you're cold. So, yun na guys. Thank you. And say, please like, please subscribe,
And share. Bye.
and please subscribe din po kayo sa isa kong channel, Chona's Kitchen. Mag-upload na ako ng video doon soon. So, yan. Abangan nyo. Thank you. Bye!
Bye.
So, pahapon lang guys. Balik na ako ulit sa aking mga late vlogs. I-edit ko na yun. Sana matapos ko na yun para updated na talaga yung mga vlogs natin. So, yun lang. So, after nito, yung mga late vlogs ko na i-upload. Yung Adelaide tsaka Melbourne. So, yun. Thank you guys. Bye! Dolly Manabat,
Dolly Manaba,
Pilar G,
Pilaji,
Rialon,
Rialon,
Aro,
Aro,
Tumaluan,
Tamaluan,
Sarah Lopez,
Sarah Lopez,
Seb Quintana.
Seb Kunkwan. Don't forget about hashtag ChonaAndMyKids for Asia. Bye.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I